Okay, 29. 29 is a piecewise function. So I do the sketch. We have two pieces, two axis line passing through the origin and slope 2, and one is a horizontal line. Okay? The transition point is 0. The transition point is 0. So 0 is the transition point here. At x equals 0. But x different to 0, we navigate for the line. Okay, the line is like that. Specifically in 0, we have the circle empty, and we continue for the line for another value. Now, specifically at 0 is 1. This circle is full. Here 1. Okay, so now domain. What is the domain? Domain of f is all real number. Okay, and range of f is let's see. It's the set of the value. Okay, when you're projecting this onto the y-axis, you see que we cover all the value except 0. Entonces, y such that y must be different to 0. 0 no. This is the domain. Okay, the intercept. But the intercept is, well, intercept is only y intercept, que is 0,1, this point. And this no, because it's undefined here. And x intercept is no. We have no. Okay, now graph I did, but find the range I did, domain I did, and f is continuous. Of course, it's discontinuous. Discontinuous and its domain. How do you know it's continuous, discontinuous? When you can draw the graph without lifting the pencil from the paper, it's continuous. In this case, you have a hole here, and you have a jump here. So it's obvious that this is continuous. Okay, we continue section 3.4. Now this is side 31. It's a piecewise function. I investigate everything. I try to do the graph. So the first piece is a line. Y-intercept is the point 0,3 here, and the slope is negative. It's downwards. 1, 1, 2 here, 2 down. Okay, and I draw the line, and this is the first piece. The second piece is a line also. The y-intercept is 0,2, but the slope is 3. Is 1, 1, 2, 3. And you're connecting, and this is the second line. Okay, it's the second piece. Now the transition point is in 1. 1 is here. X equal 1. Before 1 is less than 1. Is valid this piece. Therefore, we navigate for this part until here, in which you have a circle completely empty. However, the second piece is after 1 is here, and we have in this case a coincident. Okay, we have a circle empty and a circle full overlap, and this is a graph of the piecewise function. Okay, obviously this is continuous function in the domain. Okay. Now, one more information they want. They want a domain. Domain is obvious. Okay, it's all real number. But range, no. Range is from this point to infinity. At this point, and 1 is 1 here is negative 2 plus 3 is 1. At this point is the point 1, 1. The range then is bracket 1, infinity. It's this point to over. One more information they want, intercept. We have only one here. Okay, the point 0,3. It's a y-intercept and x-intercept we have no, because never cross. For more information they want, continue, intercept, graph, domain and range. That's it. Complete the answer. Okay, now 33 is a piecewise function, but using 3 pieces. The first piece is x plus 1 is a line. I did the line is, look, this is the y-intercept, is 3, and the slope is 1, so this 1, 1. You draw the line, x plus 3. 5 is a horizontal line passing through 5 here. And finally, the third piece is a line also, is 2, the y-intercept, and the slope is negative 1, 1, 1. We connected the point, and this is the 3 piece, completely separately. And now the transition is negative 2 and positive 1. And between negative 2 and 1, we navigate with this line. Okay, this point is full. And this point, by the way, is negative 2, 1. You evaluate here, negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Okay, now we navigate for this line until here, n1. n1, specifically n1, we have this circle is empty. Specifically n1 is equal 5, this circle is full. And after the 1, you navigate for the second piece, que is this. So this circle is empty again, empty, and the continuation is like that to infinity. Okay, this is the graph of the piecewise function. Okay, now let me answer the question. The question is, domain of the function f is from negative 2, infinity, because it's to this, from this to that. Range is always complicated, but in this case is cover this part, negative infinity. So we have here, this point is a point, this point is, evaluate here is 1, 1, 1. Okay, this point is the same level of this. Now we continue here, we have a hole here, and we have 5. So the range is complicated because we have negative no. From negative infinity, 4, and not include 4. Union and include 5. This is cover any negative, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 no. 4 is empty. That is the reason que es paréntesis. Okay, intersect we have here one x-intercept. Okay, this point is when this function is equal to 0. It's obvious that this is x is equal to. So this point is 2, 0. And also we have another here. This is the x-intercept. And y-intercept is this point. Que is when the S3, this point is 3, the y-intercept is obvious que is 0,3. And that's it, no more information they want, no? Let me see, they want intercept, function, and obviously the function is not continuous, discontinuous. Discontinuous. It's obvious, we have to get here, jump, discontinuous. And we have here a gap or hole. Okay, 35. 35 is this piecewise function. We have two pieces, 1 plus x is a line. The y-intercept is 1, and the slope is 1, 1. We connected this for a straight line. And the other is a square function. A square function, the typical 3 point is 0, 0, 1, 1, and negative 1, 1. If you want two more additional, it's 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point 2, 4, and this is negative 2, 4. And this is symmetry about the y-axis. Okay, so now for the x negative, que is this interval. So the transition, one more time, is 0. Transition, when the piecewise change, x equals 0. Before 0, we navigate for the line. We navigate for the line. We navigate for the line until here, because specifically here we have empty point because it's not equal. Now we have here a full, and we continue navigate for the square function, but on the positive part to infinity. Okay, so this red curve represents the piecewise function. Information that they want domain of f is a real number, cover everything, and range of x is a real number also, cover everything. You see, but we have hole here, but we have no hole here. So this y is covered. It's obvious that this continuous function. Intercept, we have one here, 0, 0. This both x-intercept and y-intercept. And that's it, because this is no intercept, because in this point the function is undefined. Do not exist here. That is the reason it's empty. One more they want. They want domain, range, intercept, continuous graph. Super.